Hi there, welcome back. Today we are in the latest ICON project. This is a ICON FJ44. Specifically, it is number 137. It started out life as a 1972 FJ40 that was beat to hell. This truck is finished in our slate blue color. Powder coat finish, of course, one of our many standard colors. We don't do too many slate blues, but I really like them. Design package on this truck is new school, so it's running the new school forged aluminum 18-inch rims made here in Southern California with the center rear wheel cap spinners. We're running the new school front and rear bumper package. Those bumpers are fully kitted, so they have the Warren winch and the integrated LED lighting in the front bumper. The rear has the integrated LED reverse light, as well as the reverse camera, the storage compartments, and the dual pivot carriers. We are running the new style FJ headlights with the glow ring for turn signal, which is kind of cool. And gosh, what else? Obviously the more recent spec FJ rear view mirrors that we updated, and pretty much standard fare other than that. On the outside, we are running the rack and ladder, which is removable. That rack and ladder is designed so that it fits on the roll bar, and there's just sandwich plates for the soft top. So the soft top frame is not bearing any of the weight that could potentially be on that roof rack, and instead the roof rack goes straight to the H-bar, which goes straight to the body, to the gussets. So therefore your roof rack can carry a hell of a lot of weight and also be run with or without the soft top, which is kind of nice. For seating on this one, we're running the Chilowich textile. We're running the optional carbon fiber 3-stage heat blankets under the Chilowich. We're running the 4 captain's chair and the 4 primary seating positions. And then in the cargo area on this truck, I think my client couldn't quite decide what to do, so we did everything. We set it up so it has jump seats, map pockets. The jump seats can be removed, so can the map pockets. You can then add the 2 storage compartments, as well as the removable tuck and tumble forward-facing 2-passenger bench seat. So it's really up to the client how he wants to configure it, but he set it up to give himself just a whole bunch of fun choices. On the audio system on this truck, we're running the focal speakers. We're running JL audio amp and bass. We're running that new update of the Pioneer 8000 series NEX head unit that now has wireless CarPlay, complementing the tethered CarPlay, HD radio, Siri voice control, and a whole bunch of things that you don't necessarily need but are nifty to have. The updated ICON center console, the ICON fire extinguisher, the sport pedals, ARB locking differentials, sport brakes by Brembo, the Fox Racing ICON tunable suspension, nitrogen charged with remote canisters. Of course, we got our nifty ICON Learjet sun visors and new school gauge package, obviously, which comes with the clock and all that good stuff. We did the door map pocket options. We did that on all 4 front primary doors. And then we have the hidden air compressor built into the rear quarter panel. LS3 General Motors aluminum fuel injected 6.2 liter V8 transmission in this truck, 5-speed, manuals rejoice, AX15 by Ace and Warner, which in turn is sending power through to the Atlas 2 twin stick shift on the fly part-time 4-wheel drive transfer case. And gosh, what else? I think I covered it. It's pretty much everything. If I omitted something, call me out, yell at me, troll me if you must. Or you could always communicate old school. Call us at 818-280-3333. The website is icon4x4.com. Facebook is ICON or myself, Jonathan Ward. And Instagram, where it really seems like most of the fun is going down, is ICON 4x4. So thanks again for taking the time to watch the video. Until next time, never lift, keep the rubber side on the tarmac, and enjoy your life.